students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to talk about a new lesson. It's about composite figures. So let's start. A composite figure, what a composite figure is, it's made of simple shapes such as triangles, rectangles, trapezoids, and circles. To find the area of the composite figure, find the area of the simple shapes, then use the area of the addition postulate. What are you talking about, miss? So this is the composite figure. Let's see here in example. So this is the composite figure. So we've got here, it's consisted of more than one shape. We've got rectangle, triangle, circle. So we have here what? The first here, the first of all, we have to know the question. Find the shaded area. So he asks me about what, guys? About the area. Then round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay, we will. So we have here the first step to divide here our figure into parts. So this figure I can divide it into more than one part. So we have here half circle. As you see, from this point to this point, I draw here a line, and I here consider this is half a circle. So I have here what? I have here, as you see, I know that the area of the circle is what? It's the area of the circle pi r squared. What about half of the area? Half of pi r squared. Half pi r. Where's the r, guys, here? It's 10. Okay. Because why it's 10? Because we have here this whole one is the diameter. Half of 20 is what? Focus here is 10. So the diameter is 20. So the radius is what? 20 over 2. 20 over 2. So it's what? It's 10. You got here 10. And then substitute in the rule. Very easy now. Half pi 10 to the power 2. So by using your calculator, you find it will be, yes, it will be 50 here. Why? Because 10 to the power 2, 100. 100 times half, 50. And pi, don't forget to write the pi. And the area by using inches, squared, millimeters here, squared. Okay, and then we have got also the area of what? The area of the triangle here. So the area of triangle, remember, half base times height. We know this from grade 7. Half base times height. Half base, where's the base here, guys? Okay, where's the triangle first of all? This is our triangle. Okay. So we have got, this is the triangle. Where is the, okay, this is the base. Okay, remember, he gives you this all 32 and this part 20. So I need to get this part. So this part, it's all of this part minus this part to give you the external one. So you got here 12. So the base here, guys, is 12. What about the height? This is our height. Okay, why, Miss Dina, this is our height? Because this side, as you see, it's the same as, open your eyes, it's very, very, very interesting. You will love it. You have here, it's like a puzzle. You have here 14, so this must be 14. And this is in the triangle is the height. And this is in the height, because why? Because this is a right angle triangle, and the height, the altitude of the right angle triangle is on the right angle triangle. This one is what? This one is the, yes, is the height. So you got here half time base times height. Half of what? Half of the height, half of 14 times 12. Okay, half of 12 times 14 gives you 84 millimeters squared. Area of rectangle. Where is the rectangle you're talking about? This is the rectangle. What's the area of the rectangle? Base times height. So this is the base times height. So we know that 32, okay, minus, we got here, this is what the base of the triangle is 12. So this is what, guys? This is 12. Okay, 30. So I'm going to here subtract 12 from 32. You got here 20. So it's what the base of the rectangle here is. Yeah, it's 20. And without doing so, we have here in that rectangle, the each two opposite sides are equal. Remember that? Yeah. So you got here 12 times what, guys? Times 14 gives you 280 millimeters squared. And this is very, yes, I know this is very interesting, guys. So I'm going to add all the shaded areas, 15 pi plus 280 plus 84, by using my awesome calculators. So you got here 521.1 millimeters squared. I know you are feeling good now. We have here another question. This lesson is very interesting, and I think it's easy to find the shaded area round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay, here I have this area. Can you see the figure? Yeah, this figure, it's very easy to put here this line to divide it into two. Okay, into two regular shapes. You got here triangle and you got here another rectangle. So I'm going to find the area of the rectangle first. It's base times height. Guys, you have to study the rules, okay? This is very important. So we have here the base, and as you see, this is the base. 37.5, and we have here two opposite sides are equal. Remember that. Okay, base times what? Times height times what? 22.5. By using my awesome calculator, so you got 843.75 meters squared. Remember to put the square because it counts. Area of the rectangle of the triangle, half base times height. Half base times height, yeah. So we have here, as the previous one, you have here 75 for all, and you have here 37.5. Remember to get this. How can I get this part? It's what again? Yes, it's a 70. I need the marker. It's a 75 minus 37.5. Okay, guys. Sorry, 0.5. Okay, to get what? To get the base. So after getting my base, which is 37.5 also, times what? Times what's the height here? Okay, I need to know the height. We know this is, okay, just we have to make this. Okay, guys, so now how can I solve this? How can I find here this the height? I don't know the height here, but I do know what? I do know that we have this 37.5, because you have here opposite, the two sides in the rectangle are, the two opposite sides are what? Are equal. 37.5 you have here, and this is 37.5. And so when this is 37.5, I will, and this is total 75. So 75 minus 37.5 gives you here 37.5. So, and I don't know this one. How can I get this one? I have a right angle triangle, and I have two sides. How can I get the third side? By the hypotenuse theorem. The hypotenuse theorem here, how can I use it? Pythagorean theorem, sorry, by using the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem, I have here, this is 37. I want to write it for you just a moment. This is 37.5, 62.5. So the hypotenuse, which is 62.5 to the power 2, equal what? Equal 37.5 power 2 plus what? Plus here, let it be here with x, plus x. So this will go to the other side by minus. You have here 62.5 to the power 2 minus what? Minus 37.5 to the power 2. Then it gives you, after here making the square root, it will give you 50. So the side here, the height will be 50. This, from where did I get the 50? Okay, guys, after that I will do half base times height. After doing so, you got 937.5. After this, I will have here to take the total shaded area, what to add here, 843.75 plus this one by using the calculator. Okay, guys, by this we have covered the lesson. Please, if you have any questions, please send me on the SCL. Thank you. Bye bye.